In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, you can click on this microphone at the bottom left corner to record it and add it, or this plus at the bottom left one to access voice section and do exactly the same. Now you need to hold to record. When you finished, let go and wait. To add a video file though, access the same section by clicking on plus icon, select the video and tap on it here to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!